guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a square basket. So we'll start off doing the bottom of the bag. We are going to do a slip knot and we are going to do a foundation chain of 17. So it should look something like this, and this measures about 20 centimeters. Now, in the second chain from hook, we are going to do a half double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. And we're going to do that all the way down to the end. After your first row, it should look something like this. We are now going to chain 1, turn our work, and we're going to do a half double crochet all the way down again. And we're going to repeat this until we have 10 rows of half double crochet. Once you've done your 10 rows, it should look something like this. We are now going to chain 1, turn our work, and single crochet in each stitch along. When you get to the last stitch of the row, we are going to do 3 single crochets into that same stitch. So it should look something like this. We are now going to turn our work and we're going to single crochet along each edge, adding 3 single crochets in each corner until we get back to the start. Once you have single crocheted around, adding 3 single crochets into each corner, we are going to slip stitch to the first stitch of the round, and we will now be chaining 1 at the start of every row, and we will be doing a half double crochet around each stitch. So we're going to chain 1 and we're going to go into the back loop only. So of the V there is 2 loops, we're going to go into the back loop. So we're going to do a half double crochet, go into the back loop, and that is your first stitch, and we're going to do that in each stitch all the way around, and then slip stitch into this first stitch. Once you have finished that round, you can see that it has this line all around. That's where we've gone into the back loop only. We are going to slip stitch into the first stitch of the round, and it will look something like this. And when you turn over your work, it should start to have some sides, and we are going to just keep repeating the exact same thing apart from going back into both loops. So we're going to chain 1, half double crochet, and go into both loops. And we're going to repeat that all the way around. And you want to keep going until you reach the height that you want your basket to be. And then once you've got the height of the basket that you want, I've done 8 rows. You are just going to slip stitch into the first stitch and fasten off, and then weave in your ends. And then this is your basket complete.